Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you everyone? Hope everyone is doing well. So I welcome you to my class. Everyone have to pay your attention and concentrate on my video so that you can learn more and more things. So children, let's start our lesson. Okay. So the first lesson is nothing but our surrounding. Our surrounding. What is meant by surrounding, children? First of all, surrounding is nothing but the people, place, and different things around us make our surroundings. The people, the different people. See, look at this picture, children. What are you seeing here? There are many people. They are doing different activities, right? Some are going to a school. Some are going on their bus, car, cycle, and some are doing exercise, doing yoga, or playing in the park. These all are same things, children? No, these all are the different things. These different things around us make us surrounding. Like in our houses, we are having brothers, sisters. Yes, beside our houses, we are having neighbors, and we are having schools, garden, parks, hospital, etc. That all makes us what? Surrounding. That all different things make our surrounding. See here, our surrounding. So in surroundings, what we are having, children? We are having trees, and we are having roadways, we are having houses. Yes or no? These all mix up. What we are finding? We are making a surrounding. So children, we have to make our surrounding clean and neat. We have to make our surrounding clean and neat. In what way we have to make it clean and neat? We have to clean our surroundings. We have to throw the garbages in the, where we have to throw it, children? In the dustbin. Where? We have to throw the garbage in the dustbin. We should not throw the garbage here and there. Okay, children, these are the nothing but surroundings. Circle the picture that matches the sentence. You go to school by this. You go to school by which, children? By school bus or aeroplane? Yes, obviously we'll go to school by bus. So you have to round up. You can see it in the sky. What we can see, children? Can we see ship or we can see crow or bird? Yes, obviously we can see crow or bird in the sky. So we have to round up. You can keep it as a pet. We can keep dog as a pet. Can we keep elephant at our home, children? Can we keep? No, we can't keep. We can keep cat, dog, etc. like that. You see it in a park. Children, in parks, what we can see? We can see tree, not tiger. Tiger will see in a jungle, not in the park. So in forest. So we can see in a park tree. Animals and their surroundings. Animals also know about their surroundings. Yes, children, not only we human beings, animals also have their surroundings. Like we are having our surrounding, we are going to school, we are coming back to our home, we are taking our lunch, breakfast, etc. In the same way, animals also have their daily routine. They have their daily habits. They remember where they are going, and how to reach home safely. For example, cows and dogs can travel far from where they live. Yes, cows and buffaloes. Do you know cows and buffaloes, children? Yeah, do they live near our houses? No, they won't live near our houses. They will live in their places, in forest or in some other places. So children, they'll come from there and they'll search for the food. They will search for the food and they'll go back to their home. Like we students, we are coming to school. Yes, we are learning new things. At evening time, are we staying in a school? No, we are not staying in a school. We are going back to our home. Yes, that is nothing but our surroundings, our daily routine. In the same way, animals also have their daily routines. They'll come from their homes, they'll search for the food, and they'll go return back to their home. They always return to their place. Now let us do one activity that knows that even a very small animal such as ant knows where it is going. Yes, even an ant. See children, even an ant, chimti, they will carry their sugar and they'll go back to their homes and they will eat it. They won't stay near our home, near our, so they'll go back to their homes and they will share it. See children, keeping our surroundings clean and beautiful. So we have to take the cleaning habit. Throw litter here and there. No children, we have to not throw here and there. So children, we'll do this later. First we'll go for this. Clean surroundings keeps us healthy. Dirty surroundings can make us ill. Yes. See children, if you are throwing all the garbages here and there if you are throwing, so does it look clean or good children? It will look bad. So what we have to do? We have to clean. We have to clean this. Understood? We have to clean and we have to make our environment neat so that we can get a fresh air. Plants help us to keep our surroundings clean and green. They clean the air. They also make our surrounding look beautiful. Plant more trees and look after them. Do not pluck flowers and leaves from plants. So children, we have to plant more and more trees. We have to plant more and more. So children, we have to make our surrounding clean and neat. How? We have to plant more trees. What we have to do? We have to plant more and more trees. Okay, by this planting more and more trees, what we can do? We can keep our surroundings clean and neat. With that we can get fresh air. What we can get children? Fresh air. With that we can keep our health healthy. We won't feel ill. So we have to make our surrounding clean and beautiful. We have to water it. We should not pluck these flowers from the gardens. We have to not pluck these flowers. Why it not look beautiful? So we have to not pluck the flowers. We have to make it beautiful. So we have to, what we have to do children? Now everyone have to plant a tree. Okay. We keep our homes clean by dusting, sweeping and mopping. We also keep all our things in their proper places. Children, look at this picture. Can you see it? Is it beautiful? No, it is not beautiful. Why? Because all things are here and there. They are not arranged in a proper manner. So in our houses, our mothers, what they will do children? They will clean, they will dusting, they will sweeping, they will mopping. वो लोग क्या करते? झाड़ू मारते, मॉप करते, स्वीप करते. Why? To keep our home clean. In the same way, we have to keep our surroundings also clean and neat. How we have to do that? We have to plant more and more trees. We should not throw the garbage in the here and there. We should not throw any peels like banana peel. If we throw this peel on the road, then people will fall. So we should not throw the garbage here and there. We have to throw it in a dustbin. Where we have to throw children? We have to throw that in a dustbin. So in this way we can make our surrounding beautiful and clean and neat. By that we can make our surrounding clean so that we can take proper and neat air. We won't feel ill. Hope you children enjoyed it. Thank you.